a super fun and easy DIY/recipe for you guys, and this is how to make chocolate roses without having to melt any chocolate. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I make videos about being a Jewish mom, minimalism with kids, cleaning, organizing, all stuff like that. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So being a Jewish mom, I wanted to let you guys know that a lot of Jewish people actually don't celebrate Valentine's Day, and that's because it has sort of a Christian origin with Saint Valentine, and growing up I actually never celebrated it because I came from a pretty religious home. But now I do celebrate it, and I like celebrating it with my family. To me, it doesn't have so much of a religious connotation to it anymore. It's more of like an American or even Hallmark holiday these days, and I just think it's a really fun excuse to tell the people around you that you love them. There is also, by the way, a Jewish version of Valentine's Day called Tu B'Av, which falls usually around the summertime here, and that holiday has become really similar to Valentine's Day. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that. But yeah, let's get into the craft. So all you're going to need is mini Tootsie Rolls and these sticks. You can find them at like Michael's, craft stores, baking stores, anything like that. These ones are by Wilton, and they're called cookie sticks. I think you can also get them on Amazon, so I'll link them below. And then I just have some red, pink, and white M&Ms that I'm going to use to decorate. What I'm going to do is make a vase of the chocolate covered roses, and I'll fill it with the M&Ms. So let's get started. So what you're going to do is take about 10 little mini Tootsie Rolls, and you're going to melt them in the microwave for 5 seconds just to soften them up. Now that you've got your softened Tootsie Rolls, you are just going to roll up your sleeves, make sure your hands are clean, and you're going to roll them into balls. Okay, so once you've rolled the Tootsie Rolls into balls, you're just going to smush them out flat and make them into sort of like a smooth rectangle pattern. Okay, now that I have the Tootsie Rolls smoothed out, I'm just going to take a stick and roll each Tootsie Roll around the stick to create the rose shape. So that's the inside of your rose, and now you're just going to keep adding them to make the rose bigger and more full looking. As you go along, you should also squeeze them at the bottom just so that they stick to the actual stick. And for those outer petals, it helps to spread the Tootsie Roll even thinner so you can keep wrapping it. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's done. It's a beautiful Tootsie Roll rose and is super simple. Of course, this is a great one to do with kids because you really can't mess it up, and it's not even messy, which is a big bonus. So I'm going to keep making these until I have a little bouquet, and then I'm going to show you guys the finished product. So I just finished making my little bouquet of Tootsie Roll roses. I chose to do 3 in this little arrangement because each one has about like 7 to 10 Tootsie Rolls. So I think 3 little roses is more than enough for somebody. What I'm going to do now is just fill the bottom of the vase with Valentine's Day M&Ms. So here's the finished bouquet of chocolate roses. I hope you guys like this. If you have any craft ideas for me for Valentine's Day, definitely link them below. I'd love to see them. I hope you guys really have a wonderful holiday, and share it with someone you love. Thanks for watching this video. Bye!